Okay, guys, making Asian noodles again. This is shrimp flavored, hot and spicy. Um, Nissin is the brand. It says it can be made in 3 minutes using the microwave. So the directions says you open it, of course. You take out the packets, and it wants you to. There's 3 packets inside. It wants you to take the seasoning packets and put it inside, and um, and then this must come, the liquid one with the chili sauce must come later. What I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna go ahead and put it all inside, and instead of using, and I'm sorry, then they want you to put water in it to fill it up above the line apparently, or I mean to your liking, and then you microwave the whole thing and you close it. So essentially what it is it's boiling the water in the microwave and it's cooking the noodles, or actually it's rehydrating the noodles. I'm gonna use water, electric water kennel instead. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the packets in like it wants me to. Ooh, kind of challenging. So the dry seasonings, and supposedly this is spicy. This particular dish or bowl. And I am gonna take the recommendation and I'll set this aside and do it afterwards. And I'm just gonna pour. I already turned this on. It's already hot. You can probably see the steam coming out of it. And pour right onto it. All right, that's submerged it. It's not all the way full. It's probably like 80% full to this thing. I can't tip it sideways, sadly. So I'll wait 3 minutes. Maybe I'll set something on top here, so just make sure it stays shut. And we'll just let it keep on recording and wait for 3 minutes, and I'll be back. All right, it's only been about 2 minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and describe to you what's going to do next. So after the 3 minutes is up, I'm going to open it up and kind of let you see it. I'm going to dump it into this bowl, and then I'm going to do my thing, which I normally do to all of my noodle dishes. I add more stuff to it. I pre-season sirloin steak a couple days ago with 5 Asian spice. It's delicious. And although I made it a couple days ago, I reheated it just so a warm temperature. You can still see it's a little pink inside. This will go on top of my noodles. And of course, I have cilantro and green onions over here. And again, after I taste it, I might be adding more fish sauce. And for sure, I'll be adding Mom's ground, dried out Thai chilies that's been sauteed. All right, it's almost 3 minutes pretty much. I like it. I don't like my noodles to be too soft, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Wow, you can even see the steam coming out of it still. So I suppose if you're in college or you live in the dorms, this would be super handy. And you could still use a microwave or a water kennel like I did. I'm just gonna pour this in here. So all those seasons that came with it, there it is right there. It's pretty neat. All right, set to the side. Yeah, it wasn't even full 3 minutes when in the box there. It's pretty soft, almost too soft for me. I'm gonna add some cilantro. My steak is about 4 or 5 ounces, probably a little bit too much. And I've always loved lime in all of my soups, so I'm gonna do that now. And I have not added their chili packet yet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna open it up, smell it, and decide how much of it do I want to really put in there. Interesting. Well, I guess I'm sure I can handle the heat, so I'm gonna put all of it on there. According to their directions, they do want you to add this last for whatever reason. I'm not sure why. I'm sure they have a reason. So, and there you go. Thanks for watching.